Hi, I'm here from Aunt M's Quilts and M's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to show you how to do a big stitch binding. It adds a lot of color and interest to the edge of your quilt. I find it's a fun way to use up bits of embroidery floss. It's fun to do while I watch a show with my husband because I don't have to think a lot about it. If you are looking for more fun ways to finish your scrappy quilts, come and join me in my free workshop. I'll put a link to that in the description below. Remember, if you like my videos, to like and subscribe. All right, let's get started. Okay, to do our big stitch binding, we're going to want to sew our binding on the wrong side of our quilt so that when we are folding it over, our big stitch is going to show on the right side of our quilt. And I'm going to tie a knot in the end of my thread. I'm going to go from the back side, so the side that is near the binding. I'm just going to come through there like that. So my knot will be in the back there. I'm going to bring my binding over. You can use binding clips to keep it where you want it. And I just go a little ways at a time. You could go all the way around, but I like to keep this open so when I'm doing the knot, I can get to that area. And I'm going to come up into my binding about that 1/4 inch. Move that over a little bit so it's out of my way. And then I'm going to make my stitch. You can play with how long you want your stitch. I do mine fairly short, 1/4 inch or less. And I'm going to go through. I don't want to go all the way to the back because I really don't want the big stitch showing. I have a print on the back here. But if you want the big stitch to show all the way through, you could go all the way through, but that's not necessary. You just need to be able to adhere it to the quilt. So I usually go into the top and part of the batting, make my stitch, and I'm just going to keep doing that all the way around my quilt. So when you get to a corner, we're going to make it go straight out. We're going to fold it back and use a binder clip to hold that in place, and then we'll keep stitching with our big stitch binding. And then you just keep doing your big stitch all the way around your quilt. And the edge of your quilt will look like this. Thanks for watching my video. Remember to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.